Banded agate is a wonderful stone for balancing the mind, body, and soul. It is utilized for security, protection, and moral stability. It is often used as a grounding stone, as well as a helping stone for arranging one's life. It is claimed to aid in the breaking of connections with people who have a negative influence on you, such as a boss, partner, friend, or any other negative person who wants to control you. People use it to improve their memory, as well as to shield themselves from harmful thoughts and influences. It is also thought to bring money and good fortune. Emotional stability, protection from negative energy, and negative ideas are all benefits of banded agate. This stone's gentle energy works slowly but steadily to balance emotions and other aspects of one's life. Banded agate, commonly known as layered agate, has a band of small quartz crystals running through it. It's made up of layers of silicate deposited in volcanic vesicles or other cavities. Inside the stone, layers and bands grow in phases, adding to the magnificence of this one-of-a-kind gem. It makes you feel better about yourself and is great for your health and well-being. Helps get the body and mind back in sync. Banded agate is one of the best stones when it comes to calming your mental state and when dealing with your emotional health.